Good morning, guys. Today we'll take a problem to test whether two random processes xy are to check two random processes are independent or not. So let's take the given function f of xy is 1 by 24 into u of x into u of y into e power minus x by 4 minus y by 3. So in any given problem like this, to check whether they are independent or not, we'll take the joint probability function f of xy will check whether the joint probability function is equal to the individual density functions product f of x into f of y. This is individual joint probability function of x, this is individual joint probability function of y. So this f of x is minus infinity to infinity integral f of joint probability function into dy, and f of y can be written as integral minus infinity to infinity joint probability function into dx. So first we'll calculate the individual probability function of x, random variable x or random process x. So here the integrals are not from minus infinity to infinity because u of y takes only the positive values. So integral 0 to infinity 1 by 24 into u of x into e power minus x by 4 minus y by 3 into dy. So remember this trick. For a individual probability x will take dy, for y will take dx. So carrying on with integration, 1 by 24 we can take it outside. U of x is also constant because we are differentiating with respect to y. E is also depending on x, like e power minus x by 4 is also a constant. So only the integral here is e power minus y by 3. So if we integrate that, it would be enough. So e power integration is, so integration of e power x is the required thing. Integration of e power, like we have the formula, integration of e power ax is equal to integration of, like that is equals e power x by a. So we'll apply the limits. E power ax by a, we'll apply the limits 0 to infinity. So on applying, we'll get 1 by 8 into e power x into e power minus x by 4. Similarly, we'll calculate the individual probability function for y. So u of x takes only positive values, the same reason. So we'll take the limits from 0 to infinity and the differentiator is dx. So similarly, we'll get f of y 1 by 6 into u of y into e power minus y by 3. We'll take the product. This multiply this 1 and 2. If we multiply these two, we'll get 1 by 48 into e power x into u power y. 1 by 48 into u of x into u of y into e power minus x by 4 into e power minus y by 3. But this is not equal to the joint probability function. So joint probability function is this. So we can say that they are not statistically independent.